Hello student, welcome to the online courses in sociology. These courses are offered by the Faculty of Sociology, School of Social Sciences of Indira Gandhi National Open University. These courses are relevant for the master's level program in sociology. Any student having graduate degree in any subject can enroll for this program. Age is no bar. Each of these courses are of 8 credit worth. These courses are available both in English and in Hindi. Once you enroll for this program, you will find self-instructional study material. Those are self-content, self-explained, self-directed, self-motivating and self-evaluatory. One of this course is Sociology of Development. As you understand, as a student of sociology, your concern would be to know about the direction, dynamics and implication of development in our society. This course is well designed. It starts with clarifying the concepts of development in terms of its historicity and contemporary applicability. It talks about the perspectives of development, both in terms of growth-oriented development, human development, social development, sustainable development, and varieties of others, what we are talking about development as freedom and development as happiness. It also addresses the issues of critics of development, what are the alternative perspectives in terms of ethno-development, micro-development that are taken care of in this course. Approaches to sustainable development is another dimension of this program. You will be interested to know how the development can be sustainable and sustaining in this earth. It is also having a comparative description of development across the world. It takes the cases of some of the developed countries in the world, UK and USA, and also talks about development of India and Brazil. You will be able to know in this course the impact of globalization on our developmental perspectives, and it addresses the issue of information communication technologies and its impact on development. It talks about the proliferation of the knowledge society in India and its impact on the work culture. No development is free from the problem of social discontent arising out of displacement. So this course on sociology of development also take care of the issues of displacement and people discontent. Those are reflected in the form of social movement and civil society and state intervention. I am hopeful that you will enjoy this course and you will reflect your intellectual capabilities by enrolling in this program and specifically in this course. Thank you.